the first thing I would do is clear the fractions by multiplying both sides by the LCD, which would be a 3 and a p minus 1. You want to multiply every term on both sides by that LCD. And remember, you're not trying to get each term over that LCD. You're trying to clear your fractions. So when you multiply this first term on the left, the 3's cancel, and you're left with 3p minus 1 times p minus 1. Let me show you that on the side of my paper. That's 3p minus 1 over 3 times a 3 and a p minus 1. Oops, hold on. Over 1, you see how the 3's cancel? All right, so now let's continue multiplying every term on both sides to clear our fractions. So we multiply the second terms, you've got a minus sign, that one right there. The p minus 1's cancel, and you're left with 2p times 3, which is 6p, equals 3p, p minus 1. Nothing cancels on the right since there's no fractions. So let's FOIL out these two factors on the left-hand side, and that will give you 3p squared minus 3p minus p plus 1 minus 6p equals 3p squared minus 3p. This is looking quadratic, but it's not, because these cancel. You subtract those from both sides. Combine like terms on the left, and you get negative 4p plus 1 minus, well, let's go back. I didn't combine very well, did I? That's going to be negative 4p minus 6 is a negative 10p plus 1 equals a negative 3p. And let's add 10p to both sides, and that will give me 7p. And now let's divide both sides by 7, and I get 1/7 equals p.